Early life. Gregorio Sara was born on March 8, 1902 in Lipa City, Batangas, Philippines. He earned the bachelor's degree in mechanical engineering at the Massachusetts Institute of Technology, a master in aeronautical engineering, summa cum laude, at the University of Michigan, and a doctorate in physics at Sorbonne University in Paris, summa cum laude, with tres honorable, the highest graduate student honor. Early life. He returned to the Philippines and became involved in both the government and the academic worlds. He worked in several posts with the Department of Public Works and Communication and a Department of National Defense, mostly in the aviation. At the same time, he taught aeronautics at several universities, including the American Far Eastern School of Aviation, the Far Eastern University, and the Fitti University, and publish many books and research paper on aeronautics. Gregorio Sara, March 8, 1902, October 15, 1978, was a Filipino scientist best known as the inventor of the videophone, the first two-way electronic video communicator in 1955. All told, he patented 30 devices. His other invention range from an alcohol-powered airplane engine to a solar powered water heater and stove. Early life. In 1930, he discovered the physical law of electrical kinetic resistance, known as the Sara effect, which involved the resistance to the passage of an electric current when contacts are in motion. Later he invented the earth induction compass, which is still used by pilot. And in 1954, his airplane engine powered by alcohol had a successful test flight at the Ninoy Aquino International Airport. Video phone catch on that first interaction can catch on largely because it was intended as a commercial product, but in the 1960s, AT&T began working on a model of a video phone called the picture phone, and at the public, the company released the video phones at
1964.
At the 1964 New York World's Fair, but it was seen as impractical and did fare well. Other scientific contribution designing a microscope with a collapsible stage, helping design the robot. Marex extend, which could walk, talk, and respond to commands, inventing the vapor chamber used to visualize radioactive elements. Zara die of heart
Heart
failure
failure
at the age of 76 in
1978.
1978.
Um,
Then came the video phone before video calling become as commonplace as it is in the 20s, 21st 21st century. The technology had been developed but started slowly, possibly become because it was so far ahead of its time in the middle of the 1950s, long before the start of the digital age. Sarah developed the first video phone or two-way telephone. The device left the realm of science fiction and comic books when Zara patented in 1955 as a multiphone signal separator network. Sarah other invention and discoveries include improving methods of producing and harnessing solar energy, including new designs for a solar powered water heater stove and better batteries. 1960s. Inventing wood aircraft propellers and a corresponding propeller cutting machine. 1952. In his legacy. In his system, Gregorio Sara amassed 30 patterns in the year of his death. He was presented the National Scientist Award, the highest honor the Philippines government give to Filipino scientists by President Ferdinand E. Marcos. He also received